All right, in the last hour and a half, there's breaking news we've been following. Columbus police say a body was recovered near Westerville. 10 TV News reporter Kristen McFarland is live near the Hoover Reservoir. Kristen, tell us what's happening out there.
Yeah, Tracy, we are working to learn more information about that body found. I'm going to step out of the way and show you this scene right here, still active. Now, this is on Smothers Road. There's multiple law enforcement behind those cruisers right now blocking. But again, Smothers Road, that overpass has been blocked off for quite some time here. And I got here around 45 minutes ago. We actually came around to the other side to get a better look. But we know that one person was pronounced dead around 10:30 a.m. This was after somebody called saying that they had found a body. It's unclear at this time how long the person was in the water for. We are hoping to hear from law enforcement coming up in a little bit about what happened, and we will keep you updated as we learn more. Tracy.
All right, Kristen McFarland in Westerville, in the Westerville area. Just